Today we are decorating this tissue paper box. Hey friends, today we are decorating this elegant wooden tissue box with handmade accessories that would grace any dinner table. So let's start. You can see this tissue paper box is in the shape of a heart and I have seen it. It looked cute and very nice to me, so I had bought it online and today we are going to work on it. We are going to use soft stems in place of wires. Wires are stiff and they wouldn't look so nice. So I have made these stems already in 2 or 3 videos of mine, but I am going to make a separate video so that it would be convenient for you folks to watch it and to know how to make these stems. You see, the leaves have got their own small stems because leaves have their small stems when they are grown on the plants. So I have made this stem with ribbon too, and we are going to make this when we are going to make leaves and flowers. In the coming up video, I am going to make all these leaves and flowers. I wanted this branch to look as natural as possible. That's why I have made the stems of the leaves, and this is the way we are going to stick those leaves with the main branch. The first leaf was a bit difficult to stick. I have put a dot of glue on the wrong side of the leaf and then I have stuck it on the starting end of the branch, and then I have twisted the stem of the leaf, again put a dot of glue and stuck it on the wrong side of the branch. The second leaf or the rest of the leaves are easy to stick. You just have to put a dot of glue on the end of the stem of the leaf and then you have to stick them on the wrong side of the branch. You know, this tissue paper box looks really cute on a candlelit table. I had used it when I had guests in my home and they highly appreciated it. So at that time I thought I am going to share it with my lovely viewers and friends so that they can have something as beautiful on their dinner table as I had. By the way, if it's your first time, I'm really glad to have you here. So if you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon so that you can have all the latest updates of my videos. See, it's as easy as that. You just have to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Our branch is ready, so we are going to stick it. Put a dot of glue on the end of the branch and then stick it on the roof of the hut. Then put a dot of glue in the middle of the branch and stick it with the wall of the hut so that the branch wouldn't move to and fro. We'll stick the second branch with the same technique. I would love to know how you friends have decorated your tissue paper box after watching this video, so I'd be happy to see what you create. So don't forget to share your own masterpieces in the comments below. Usually the plants have flowers with leaves too, so we are going to use this flower. Sometimes there are fruits on the plants and sometimes there are flowers. In this case, we are using flowers. I am going to use two different colors of flowers here, lemon and orange. We are going to stick more leaves on the front of the hut, but I don't want to cover the window, so I'll leave as much of the window as I can. This is the lid of the heart-shaped tissue paper box, so if we cover it fully with the foliage, we won't be able to open it and use it. That's why I am putting little branches on the top of it. This is the back wall of the tissue paper box which I am covering with the plants, and I have also covered the side walls with the same plants. This is the last branch I'm sticking, but all is not done yet. That's what I meant when I said we are not done yet. I am going to stick this hummingbird, and I am also going to use butterflies. I have already made a video tutorial of the butterflies, and I'm going to put the link of that video in the description box below. Don't worry, my next video will be a video tutorial about these flowers and leaves, and then I am also going to make a video in which we are going to sculpt this hummingbird. Thank you for joining me on this captivating journey of decorating a heart-shaped tissue paper box, and if you have really enjoyed this video, be sure to check out my other DIY projects and subscribe to stay updated with all the latest creative endeavors. Thank you for joining me, and thank you for watching. I have put the tissue papers in the box and it's ready to use. Enjoy!